Alright folks, so I have my cat shelves up now, but I've just got to have a little bit of a dilemma, which I guess I really should have known about, because these walls here, the sheetrock in behind, is only held in by like brad nails or these thin nails. So the problem I have is like on this side is, I don't know if you can see how much it's wiggling. There's just nothing really sufficient to hold this side of the shelf into the wall, even though I've used drywall screws put in here to give this a base to hold on to. It's still pulling away. So this is what I'm going to do, is I've cut out this piece here and I've notched it on both sides. This is going to go over each of the L brackets. Now this side, I just took this screw out that was already in going into the 2x4. This will be fine on this side. Now this side will go into the 2x4, but it's going to be designed to hold this everything right against the wall itself. So I measured this. I've got it because I want this to pull on these L brackets. So I'm going to put each of these screws in, and that should take care of the issue and make this a nice, I think, easy short video. And I won't do that one super tight yet, because I think this should be plenty long enough to go in behind. We'll line that up. All right. Alright, that side is not going anywhere at all anymore. I'll tighten this side up. I don't want to overdo it because I've already gone into this wall here. Now, one of the things I could have done at some point is stain this or color, but I'll find maybe some kind of carpeting that will go over this that I can use carpet glue on, give the cat something else to scratch on. Alright, so this now is nice and secure on this side. It's not going to pull away from the wall. I don't have to worry about this coming down. And at some point I'll do the same thing on this side. So I hope you found this video, if nothing else, entertaining. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.